Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. The best ideas are come from the comment section only. So because many of there has different views and different suggestions, so by analyzing the comments you can get a better idea. If you are struggling in research work, so you can better check any comments forum to get a better idea or better suggestions for your research work to proceed further. So in this video we are going to discuss about a chatbot which is used to analyze different types of comments, and it will give a better suggestion for you to make your work proceed forward. So this video will be very helpful for those who are struggling to make research work further. So it will be a best idea to search in comment section. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop, that is MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. In this workshop we are going to discuss about different types of MATLAB basic syntaxes, and also we are going to make 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB, and then we are going to analyze different types of toolbox in Simulink, that is neural network, fuzzy logic and ANFIS toolbox. And then we are going to make a live PID tuning of a controller, that is PID controller tuning, to get desired output for your application. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in electric vehicle charging station design using PV and wind energy sources, so here is an opportunity for you. This is a live MATLAB workshop EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop we are going to make PV and wind energy, that is renewable energy, as our source, and we are going to implement different types of maximum power point tracking algorithm in that PV and wind energy sources in order to grasp maximum amount of energy from them, and then we are going to incorporate it with the EV charging station batteries. So thereby you can get power produced from renewable energy using this kind of setup. So if you are interested in EV charging station design in MATLAB using renewable energy as source, so don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So in this video we are going to discuss about AI tool called Giga Brain. So here you can see Giga Brain is a resourceful search engine that uses AI to scan billions of comments across Reddit and other online communities to find the most useful real world advice and opinions for your questions. It aims to automatically filters out irrelevant information to give you the most genuine and helpful answers in the form of TLDRs. Giga Brain will also give context and references, allow you to see exactly where the information was sourced from, including while thread and community to the comment was posted on. So this is very important because you cannot search all the forum comments by taking time. So this will be very helpful to get the better comments from all the forums. So let us explore the tool. So go to Giga Brain. This is the dashboard of this Giga Brain. So here you can see, cut the noise, get real answers from the real people. So Giga Brain scans billions of discussions on Reddit and other online communities to find the most useful posts and comments for you. So here you can ask, this is a chatbot, that is you can ask any question. So it will analyze the comments in the different forums and it will give you an answer. For example, if you have, so this is the common things, that is examples given here. So best PC gaming headset, best Korean barbecue restaurant, so like that it is having. So here what I am going to is related to research. So I am going to ask how to design electric vehicle charging station. So here what you can do is you can ask for your own department also, that is what stream you belong, you can ask. So as I have belonged to electrical stream, I have asked how to design electric vehicle charging station. So and then click enter. So it will take several seconds to generate here. So here you can see that refined results by, there are 3 categories are available: most relevant, most recent and most upwards. So first it showcases the most relevant answers. So here this is a question we have asked for, how to design electric vehicle charging station. So Giga Brain scanned 780 comments to find 94 relevant comments from 9 relevant discussions. So these are some of the discussions here. I want to create my own public EV charging station, design of EV charging station, why are the charging station are not designed with pause, so like that. So here you can see 6 more sources are available. So we will check out with the first source here. This is second one. So here you can see that designing of electric vehicle charging station. So here you can see, apply to host a Tesla designer charger for payment processing, consider ROL demand for level 2 charging station. Next here you can see that gas stations designs may not be optimal for EV charging due to longer charge times and lower throughput. Next you can see payment processing and revenue generation. So to get paid for hosting and EV charging, you can apply become a Tesla designer charger host. So like that, it will give some of the suggestions, and also it will give that sources where it has taken also. So here the first one, I want to create my own public EV charging station. How can I get paid? So the original poster is interested in creating in whole own public electric vehicle charging station to offset cost and potential generate income. So like that, it will give from the comments and the replies from the different forums. So here you can see these are the comments and replies related with your topic. So whenever you are struggling with your research question, so you can do this kind of search. So this is a humble suggestion from me. So thereby you can get an idea that somebody may comment like this, somebody may think like your thoughts regarding your research work, so that you will get a better idea or a better lead to proceed further. So next one is that most recent. So click on the most recent. So for most recent, it will show different types of sources, and Ontario making it electric vehicles to build electric vehicles. So for every sources there will be a summary given here. So you can go through this summary, thereby you can get an idea what is that comments or replies are all about. So here you can see that this is a summary. So and also you can see that, so 19 upvotes are for Reddit. So the mostly voted comments will be generated here. So like that you can analyze this questions in this Giga Brain. So next one is most upvotes. So click on the most upvotes here. So here you can see, so in the pursuit of your mission, today we are opening up, and so like that it is generated. Here you can see, in the pursuit of our mission, today we are opening our EV connector design. So this is some EV connected design company related with cars. So you can go through this summary of that particular blog post or where it is taken. So for the source you can just click here, so it will show all the sources. So just by copy and paste in the Google, so you can get that where it is taken also. So here you can see that, so filter by subreddit, so it will filter according to Reddit. So here you can see, so for this particular that is link alone, so it will give the sources. So like that, whatever the sources it has available in its databases, it will generate the comment sections for you. So every time it will scan this much amounts of comments to generate relevant answers for you and 10 relevant discussions for you. So this will be very helpful for those who are struggling to struggling to find answers for your research question. So this is all about this Giga Brain. So you cannot generate any content here, so just you can use this Giga Brain to analyze your research question. So thereby you can get a lead or any idea related with the research, thereby you can proceed further in your research. So this is all about this AI tool. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.